Hi everyone, it's Muriel here. Wanted to come on and share with you guys a birthday card that I made for a dear friend at work. Her birthday is coming up and I knew I needed to get going on a card because I need to have it to her by next Saturday. So I found this tutorial over on Dawn's, oh my gosh, I can't remember her channel, Thoughts and something. She's a Stampin' Up demonstrator. I'll put her link down below. But she showed a card. I saw it this morning. I kept thinking in my head, I need to make a card. I need some inspiration. And first thing this morning, I saw her video. So I kind of made the card a little different than she did. I didn't do any stamping. She does stamping of these little donkeys that are so cute. So I thought it would be great to use some cut apart. So I'm using this Hip Hip Hooray paper pad that was gifted to me by Anna White. Thank you so much, Anna. I told you I love this paper pad. I love the colors. And I hope it's not too young for her. She's like my age, but I just think birthdays just need to be, you know, really loud and bold and fun. And I think that's what I was trying to capture by using this paper pad as well as some of the cut aparts from Pebbles Birthday Wishes. I think that's the collection. And it's just a bunch of the cut apart cards that I used, and they also come in these little 2x2 squares, and then I think there's maybe a, no, it's like 4x6, but you've seen this. I've worked with this collection many times, and there's just so much to it. So I find that using it for everyone's birthday will do. So again, paper collection, I've had one of these before. I think I ran out, so I did use this paper for some background. But here's the card. It's the standard 4 1/4 by 5.5, or 5.5 by 4 1/4, 4 1/4 by 5.5. Yes, lots of layering, which is so nice, right? So I just have birthday wishes, and then I used some stickers from this collection. I kind of keep all this birthday stuff together from the Hooray collection by Cray Paper. You familiar with this one? I used a banner, one of those banner flags there, the smallest one. I just put it right here because that white space was just so white. And then I used 2 of the hearts there. Now, what makes this card so cool is when you open it up, it looks like this, right? Oh my gosh. So I shrunk or cut down the cut apart here. It says celebrate. Then it says 1 whole year more incredibler. Yeah, you are 1 more year incredibler. And then I'm going to write my message here. And then the last one says you're the best, reason to celebrate. I just thought this was so fun. I don't know if you want to call it interactive, but it definitely is a really cool idea. And Dawn did it with, her images were stamped in here. So cute. I'm going to put my little stuff on the back. And there we have it. I'm going to do a envelope, of course, a very colorful envelope to put it in there. And Dawn's card is, if you can imagine, is the actual tutorial. This part of the inside, you cut it from here to say about here, and you leave it open, right? So you're just going to glue this part, and this part, and that's where you're going to shove a gift card in. So really cute. This one here, I didn't do a gift card. I think I'm going to do another one because I missed my sister's birthday. I called her on the day, but I didn't get anything out to her. So that card I'm going to stick. Maybe a gift card or maybe some cash. I think that'd be fun. I think she'd get a kick out of that. My older sister, she just turned 75. So I may just put $75 in there. So anyway, I thought it was a cool idea. So I thank you guys for watching and do have a good day. Bye now.